Masayang magandang araw kapamilya, Catherine Bernardo, pinarangalan sa South Korea bilang Outstanding Asian Star. Kapamilya, sa naganap na Seoul International Drama Awards 2023 ngayong araw ay opisyal ng kinilala bilang Outstanding Asian Star ang ating magaling na kapamilya actress Catherine Bernardo. Kapamilya, sa isang interview bago siya tumulak papuntang South Korea ay sinabi ni Catherine Bernardo na proud siyang i-represent ang ABS-CBN as award winner sa South Korea. Payag ni Catherine Bernardo, "This is a product of hard work. To be recognized internationally, that's really something else, and to represent ABS-CBN is something that I'm really proud of. So pagpunta ko doon to receive that award, I am representing my Too Good To Be True family, my ABS-CBN family, and lahat ng naghirap to produce world-class projects. Congrats kapamilya Catherine Bernardo!" Anong sa inyo kapamilya?